This is another project on Junior Android Developer Pro App. What we are doing in this project is for Learn Programming NYC. What we are doing here is we are taking these terms and helping people understand all these terms. So what is a unit test? What is bug fixing? What are the problems? What is CI? This is GitHub, Gitbucket, documentation API, and all this stuff, and a lot of these stuff. A lot of these stuff you have to explain it to the students who are very new to this, who just learned programming for like 3 to 6 months, and we have to explain them. So I'm searching for Junior Android Developer NYC, and whichever job says Junior, we have to go through them and explain these things to our client. And I want you to go through like a few Junior Developer these things, and I'm going to introduce you to the people whom you have to train. Um, just look at Junior Android Developers NYC and be prepared with some of the things that they are asking. Yeah, I'll be with you. So while you explain to the students, I'll simplify that. So go through these links by searching Junior Android Developer. For example, I'll show you one example. If we have a client who's very new, and let me search for another Junior. So I'm searching for Junior on the left. Okay, senior. Suppose this is an Android developer, let's see. But this is intermediate, we would still want to go for a junior one. Interpret UI requirements. So user experience, you have to tell how do you do the user experience, which tools do you use. I think there are some tools online that we can use. Architecture, design detail, this is more UI UX. And but what you have to talk about is more of these Kotlin and Jetpack and REST API. Now you guys have to explain me this as well, and we are going to go through online and talk about it. Then we'll talk about coding Git. I know Bitbucket, so I can talk about that. Agile environments, we are going to talk about Jira and sprints. This MVP and NVVM, you have to revise me what that is. And this software development kit, these we have to define that as well. So you'll have to explain me a little bit, and together you and me are going to talk to the people whom we have to train on this.